Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Gordon Frayne. We are back with another video about Brett. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well, smash the bell notification icon, and don't forget to grab your completely free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked down below the video in the description, completely free. Grab the book for yourself and let's talk about Brett. So, Brett has been on a painful pullback over the past couple of months, guys, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This chart is not looking fantastic. We did have a very strong pullback, especially with Bitcoin dipping down to about 91k a couple weeks ago, Ethereum dropping as low as 2100. Many of the altcoins, the leading altcoins, Sui, AVAX, a handful of others, XRP, Cardano, they all pulled back 15, 20, even 30 to 40% in some instances. And meme coins took a beating as well. So again, I was hoping that Brett might have been able to hold this kind of 6.5 to 7 cents level of support. We have continued even lower, currently sitting at about 4.5, 4.6 cents per Brett token. But I wanted to talk a little bit about today about the medium to long-term potential of where this price could actually get to. Again, I don't think it's down and out for Brett by any means. In relation to the rest of the meme coin market, Brett is still one of the leading meme coins. If we jump into the meme coin narrative here on CoinMarketCap, we can see that Brett is, I think, the 11th or 12th largest meme coin by overall market cap. You have had a few meme coins surpassing it over the past month or two, the likes of AI16Z, Pudgy Penguins with their airdrop, Melania also currently a little bit larger as well. But I do still think the top 10 to 20 meme coins have the potential to be going into the tens of billions in market cap during the peak of this cycle. Currently, you've only got one meme coin, Dogecoin, in the tens of billions because Shiba Inu is back under a $10 billion market cap. But just to put things in context, if we're looking back to the previous cycle and looking at what was happening with some of the leading meme coins, you did have Dogecoin getting as high as $75 billion in the 2021 cycle peak. You also had Shiba Inu getting as high as $43.5 billion by the cycle peak for its price during the 2021 cycle. And the main point I want to make today is Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, respectively, went to those market caps in an overall market that went to about $2.9 trillion in overall crypto market cap. So this is where we peaked out during the 2021 cycle. Total crypto market cap grew all the way to 2.9 trillion US dollars, and Shiba Inu and Dogecoin were able to achieve market caps in the tens of billions of dollars as the leading meme coins during that 2021 cycle. So this cycle, again, if you've been following the channel, guys, you know I'm estimating the price of the total crypto market cap getting somewhere in the region of 7 or 8 to 10 trillion US dollars. So again, this is going to be 2 to 3x the size, maybe even 3 to 4x the size of the market cap at the peak of the previous cycle in 2021. So with a larger market cap by a multiple of 2, 3, or even 4x by the peak of this particular cycle, in my opinion, those top 10 to 15 or 20 meme coins have the potential to be getting into the tens of billions of dollars, considering the fact that both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu went into the tens of billions of dollars pretty easily during that 2021 cycle. Now, the counter argument on the other side of the table is the fact that, yes, we do have many, many more meme coins in circulation this cycle compared to 2021. There has been a huge amount of dilution when it comes to the tokens in circulation, especially for meme coins during the course of 2024. We've seen so many meme coins being launched on protocols and platforms like Pump.Fun, and you've seen Pump.Fun spin-offs created on other chains like Ethereum and Sui and many others as well. So the barrier to entry and the creation or the removal of friction for the creation of these different types of meme coins has been happening over the past couple of years, and there's no doubt there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of meme coins that have been created. But it also means that the cream has to rise to the top. And we're going to be seeing a handful of meme coins, i.e. the leading 10, 20, maybe even 30 meme coins, making up the vast bulk and majority of the market share in the meme coin narrative. And Brett is one of those tokens. And again, zooming out and looking at the big picture, if we're going to be going to 8 to 10 trillion in overall total crypto market cap, it's not beyond reasonable thought that we would be seeing many of those meme coins getting into the tens of billions in overall market cap. So that is the driver, just putting things in context for my thought process and conviction and my thesis in not just Brett, but many of these other leading meme coins. Given that we've only got one meme coin that is currently over a $10 billion market cap in Dogecoin, I think we're going to be seeing a lot more growth. And again, many of you have been following Murad's thesis on this whole meme coin super cycle. I'm not sure if it's going to be the meme coin super cycle, but I do think there's going to be those 10 to 20 meme coins that have a parabolic run and move into the tens of billions in terms of overall market cap. Again, we've done price prediction breakdowns for Brett on the channel, guys, multiple times here. We've even done videos on how to become a Brett millionaire with purchasing a certain amount of Brett tokens, but now could be a good buying opportunity. Again, this is not financial advice. You need to go and do your own research. If you understand what Brett even is, the fact that it is the leading token on the base network, it has the whole lore behind it from the Boys Club and Brett being a friend of Pepe. Again, we've done a whole bunch of videos on the channel, guys. You can go out and check those for yourself. But this was my estimate for the most recent price prediction I made for Brett by the peak of the cycle. Again, not financial advice, guys. Check it out for yourself. Running the numbers, you can see that it's what we've broken down here is total crypto market cap getting to 4 trillion, 6 trillion, or 8 trillion in a bear base and bull case scenario. Brett getting as high as 0.3, 0.5, or even 0.7% dominance by the peak of each respective cycle, and breaking down its market cap in each of those examples. And again, I don't think it's unfathomable to think that the top 10, 15, or 20 meme coins are going to be going into the tens of billions in terms of overall market cap. Could Brett get as high as $30 billion in overall market cap and get to a $3 price? I think it's possible. I don't think it's unfathomable based on the fact that you saw Shiba Inu getting to $43 billion in market cap at the peak of the last cycle, which only went to 2.9 trillion US dollars. Again, could the bull case be fathomable? Yeah, in my opinion, it's possible. Brett and many other tokens could be getting to a 40, 50, 60, 70 billion dollar overall market cap by the time we reach the peak of this cycle, just given some of the sentiment around the whole thesis that Murad has on that super cycle side of things, but also just pure speculation. You're going to be seeing retail investors coming in later in the cycle looking to make outsized gains, and a lot of that speculative capital will flow into narratives like memes, AI agents, and some of those more speculative plays. So again, this was the most recent update I did for a price prediction on Brett, but let me know below this video, do you want an updated price prediction for Brett? I do think I would tweak some of these numbers, especially related to the total crypto market cap targets for 4, 6, and 8 trillion. I do think it's possible we go a little bit higher than that. And I might also need to tweak some of those dominance levels for where Brett could actually get to realistically, given its recent drawdown. Again, not financial advice, guys, but maybe a good buying opportunity at this zone. This is the first time we've come down to this price level since May of 2024. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Check out the chart for yourself. And finally, guys, today's video is sponsored by Femex, the most efficient crypto trading and investment platform. I'm going to leave a referral link for Femex down in the description below. You can obviously check out Brett for yourself over on Femex. It's available for purchase and trading. Again, do your own research, not financial advice. Check out Femex if you want. You don't have to. I really don't mind. That is my update for Brett right now. Again, I do think it has a lot of potential. Again, I've made other videos outlining my thesis for the base network, for everything happening on Brett, from a downstream effect of more capital flowing into Base, and the fact that Base does not have its own native token for people to speculate on. So they will use proxies like Brett, like Aerodrome, like Moonwell, like Morpho as leading tokens in the Base ecosystem to speculate on Base's continued growth. So check out the other videos on the channel for all of that thesis on why I think Brett still has all of that potential. As always, guys, if you enjoy the content, I would really appreciate if you could just click on that thumbs up button below the video before you leave. It really helps with the algorithm. I would really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe as well. Smash the bell notification icon. And again, your completely free gift, The Rise of Bitcoin, is waiting for you in the description below this video. Click on it now down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.